Just tell me when you're free. So do that dance thing that's out at the moment, whatever they do. You see that dance craze at the moment? They go, You not seen it? No. Okay.
I want to see it.
I'm not doing it again, Ben. There's an audience up there. Hi guys, well welcome back to MK Sportscars and Kit Car Direct 2026. It's a bit cold outside, but it's hot in the workshop. Why is it hot? Because we're working on hot cars, and I'm going to show you what's coming up in the build series in the next videos. So stay tuned. Let's head over to the bays. Right, so bay one, what we got going on here? So in bay one, doing a summary for you in the workshop that you have to keep an eye out on the socials. Bay one, we've got, it's basically a cup chassis, Mazda engine, saddle sequential gearbox. So we'll keep your eye on the socials on that one because we're doing individual builds and videos on them so you can see a bit more detail. So there's a nice snippet in this beautiful blue. We're going to go to bay two. What we got going on in bay two? We've got a firm favourite back in for some remedial work and some service work over the winter, which is the Cup 200 Plus. So it's a 1440 engine built by RLM Racing, Peter's car, and it's beautiful and it's nice blue. So we're going to do a little bit of feature on that, you can see. Next up, we have another Cup 200 Plus. This is a Cup 200 Plus bay, another 1440 built by RLM, and we are be interested to stay tuned on this, and we're doing a separate video because we just fitted all the bodywork, and this is going for wrap at the end of January in this really funky colour. I'm not going to spoil the surprise because when this launches you're going to go wow. So we look forward to that one, seeing that. It's a 1440, so it's the same as a Cup 200 Plus here, but it's going to be in a wrap. Now we're going to go to turbo bay number 3. These two cars, they're in their Cup 200s at the moment, but they're not going to be Cup 200s for much longer. They're going to be Cup 400s because they're going to have turbocharged Hayabusa engines in them. So we've got this car and this car, both in to have the turbo conversion. We started on them at the moment with the intercoolers and a few other bits, but I'm going to tease. I'm not going to show you too much because there'll be individual videos on all of these cars. And then finally, we'll head round here. Follow me. What's going on into the bay number 4. Where we've got, it's all stripped back again because we're doing some bits on it, but the Hayabusa Turbo, so the same as them, but slightly different. Hayabusa Turbo, which is again, Simon's car, 400 plus horsepower. So we're working on that, working for it. So we're going to see all these individual builds. Then we'll be over there. What's next, you say? So we'll be over there looking at cars that we've got for sale. Things like this little single-seater. It's got an R1 engine in. Then we've got the demonstrators, which is the RX5 we're doing a video on again, so you can see that in the build process. The Cup 200 and the Sprint 185, which we're fitting a windscreen on and a few weather pack things to that, and we can show you that part as an individual build as well. And then on the final 2 cars in here, and I've got some other stuff coming up as well, but we've got the K20 Turbo under here, which is on its final legs of the build. A little snippet there of the turbocharger for you. And then up on the ramp, which is waiting just for its IVA date, the RX5 Auto. But what we've also got coming in is several cars, customers' cars that are being built that we're turning around for IVA for them as well. So we get them in, show you through the process, do individual videos and those. So maybe some of the quirks that are needed for the IVA to pass. It's very simple, follow the guidelines, tick the box, and away we go. So that's what we've got coming up in summary. Tune in each week on Wednesdays and Sundays. We get the videos out there on each of these individual wheels, and you can see what these cars are about. Now, if you want to get yourself into one of these for 2026, it is the year of the horse. In my opinion, it's horsepower. And year of fire, that means spark, whoosh, bang. So get yourself in one of these cars for 2026. Hook us up on a phone call, email here at MK Sportscars, or come and see us at one of the factories or the shows that are coming up. Race Retro, coming up in February. Come and see us there, talk through the cars, talk through your project, what you want to do, and what machine you want in your garage. Right, well, I hope you like what you see. Stay tuned. Remember to like, share, and follow us, and it'll come up with a little tick box there for you each week, and we'll catch you on the next instalment.